need the air police pit maneuver pit, northbound. He's get back in it. He's trying to get back in it. Coming up the North Druid Hills. Coming for another pit. I got a vehicle on the way.
Hey, make sure you buckle up and brace yourself for heart-pounding chases and plot twists that are more thrilling than the movies. If you want to feel like you're on a roller coaster without leaving your seat, then welcome to Cops Cam Police US. Now let's go. A dirt bike rider played a bizarre game of cat and mouse with police during a slow-speed chase. Moving at just 10 miles per hour, the reckless action still posed a danger to traffic.
This has been going on for quite some time, at one point near the 91 freeway in Long Beach.
So we're told that this individual is basically talking to these officers, saying that he wants to go home. So you have to assume that this may be some sort of mental health episode.
Southern California streets.
Yeah, and is his car on the right just a regular, I guess so, yeah, just driving on there. That's sort of odd, too. So we don't know if he's in the midst of a mental health episode, if he is under the influence of something, or what would cause this man to be acting out like this. But this is, only 10 miles an hour. I mean, going slow enough to be talking to these folks, and doesn't seem to have great control of the bike either. This is just an unfortunate situation that's playing out in front of everybody. And you wonder if in fact he is really saying, I want to go home, I want to go home. You feel that his family members probably are watching this live on TV right now, really concerned for his well-being.
Yeah, so we always talk about how do we bring these pursuits to an end, and obviously the traditional ways of the spike strip and...
A dirt bike rider played a bizarre game of cat and mouse with police during a slow-speed chase. Moving at just 10 miles per hour, the reckless actions still posed a danger to traffic. The Dodge raced down the road at 105 miles per hour, with police in relentless pursuit. Even with flattened tires and barricades, the suspect refused to stop, defying all obstacles.
They're right behind me. I'm gonna try and hit them.
Copy, attempting a hit. I'm with them. 3-5 behind him. Copy. Port. Copy, good hit. Roll, we'll get medical. Disregard. Yeah, pull back over. They're now gonna go northbound. Copy, it's going back northbound. Good hit.
After the pit maneuver, the suspect resisted and claimed a broken leg, but police confirmed it was not serious. He was quickly subdued with a taser, ending the chase safely.
Get on the ground! Your legs out, bro. No, this one's fucked up, you see. Well,
on December 10th, 2024, at approximately 1:44 a.m., Officer Vrooman, while patrolling on a U.S. highway, observed a 2022 white Dodge Challenger traveling in the left lane. The officer activated the hazard lights to signal the vehicle to pull over, but the driver failed to comply, leading to the initiation of a pursuit. The police then successfully closed in on the fleeing vehicle and executed a precise pits maneuver, causing the car to lose control, crash into a fence, and come to a halt. The driver fled on foot but was quickly apprehended by officers. He was identified as Dontarius Gordon and was charged with escape, resisting arrest, and several other related offenses. On January 15, 2023, while on patrol, Arkansas State Police noticed a suspicious vehicle. The officers immediately followed and activated their lights to initiate a stop, but the driver ignored the signal and fled, starting a pursuit.
South on Warren.
After the vehicle traveled a short distance, it suddenly came to a stop. To the officer's surprise, a woman without pants exited the car and fled on foot. The police quickly gave chase.
Oh, fucking taste. Come here. Give me your hand. What's in the road, Central? Now you're DWI too.
Please don't do that. I love you. I'm not.
Stop talking.
I don't have no issues.
Stop talking.
I swear.
Stop talking.
Fucking. No,
Stop. Stop.
I will fuck you. You're not safe. Please.
Stop.
I can't.
I don't care. Turn around.
I'm drunk. You want me to go to jail?
The police successfully apprehended the driver, but the woman continued to provoke them. She was swiftly handcuffed and taken to the police station for questioning and to face consequences for her actions and behavior. On January 12, 2025, at 12:52 p.m., a Livingston County Sheriff's deputy was patrolling Pinckney Road near Coon Lake in Marion Township when he spotted a black Chevy Impala being driven by a man wanted on felony charges. The deputy quickly activated his emergency lights and initiated a pursuit.
White, but clear. Turning on to kettle.
Where are they at?
They're on Kettle west of D19. Line 6 up.
Hands!
Still on Kettle, or did we get on TV?
I'm Joe. We're making contact now.
Clear, making contact.
When the vehicle came to a stop, the deputy found the driver had stabbed himself in the neck. The deputy quickly removed the driver from the vehicle and began performing life-saving measures, including bandaging the wound and applying a bandage. Livingston County Emergency Services arrived quickly and transported the driver to the hospital.
Recklessly drove an SUV, leading a tense chase through residential areas. Picking up 3 passengers, he continued weaving, driving against traffic, and colliding with other vehicles. The crash stopped the SUV, and police found ammunition and a gun near the scene. The boy tearfully claimed he was forced to drive and was taken into custody, while the victims escaped with minor injuries.
Lay that down.
don't give a shit.
My knees. My knees.
I don't give a shit.
Please.
Lay down. Lay down.
My knees. I'm not gonna do anything, sir. I swear. My knees are hurting, sir. My knees. My knees. I'm sorry, sir. My knees. I was forced. I didn't mean to.
Let me check real quick.
They are good. I'm telling you. They are good.
Chest and say.
They are good. They had a gun.
Stop right now.
Okay, can you take my mask off, please? They had a gun in my head, sir.
Who are you?